Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And if you want to transfer money from Philippines to Japan, this video for you. So here's the step-by-step guide how you can actually transfer money from Philippines to Japan without any type of hassle. So the first step is choose a money transfer method. You have several options depending on speed, fees, and convenience. So here is the methods. That first is online remittance service. The platform you, for example, like Wise, Western Union, Remitly, or World Remit, best for speed and transparency. Bank transfer like Swift, BDO, BPI, Metro Bank to Japanese banks. Large amounts. Cash pickup or remittance centers like Western Union, MoneyGram, LBC. Recipients without bank accounts. E-wallet to bank like Gcash plus remittance partner together in combination and best for first and mobile. Now here is the option 1 that using Wise, the recommended for bank transfer. Here's the step for Wise. Go to wise.com or open the Wise application on your mobile device. Then create an account and verify your identity. Then click send money. Enter amount in PHP. Destination Japan JPY. Enter recipient's Japanese bank account details, name, bank name, branch, account number. Choose payment method, bank transfer and debit or credit card. Then review the fees and exchange rate and confirm the transfer. Send the money and wait for a notification for successful delivery, usually 1 to 2 business days. Now here is this option 2 is bank-to-bank Swift transfer. Now here is a step-by-step guide. Visit your local bank like for example BDO, BPI or Metro Bank. Fill out a remittance or wire transfer form, the wire transfer actually. So provide the following like Swift code of Japanese bank. For example, like this type of like this one is for MUFG bank. So you can ask to the recipients about the Swift code for that expected bank. Then after entering correctly with the Swift code, you have to do is recipient's full name and address, input that and a Japanese bank account number, then purpose for remittance. Now pay the amount plus transfer fee, typically PHP 500 to 1500 plus receiving bank fee. Get a receipt and tracking number. Processing time probably 2 to 5 business days. Now option 3 is using Remitly or World Remit. Now here is the step-by-step guide that Remitly or the World Remit. Download Remitly or World Remit for Play Store or the App Store. Then sign in and verify your identity. Then enter recipient's bank details or cash pickup option in Japan. Select amount and delivery speed, express or economy. Pay via debit card, credit card or bank transfer. Confirm and track your transaction. Delivery time is instant to 2 days depending on method. Now option 4 is via Gcash plus Western Union. Now the step-by-step guide is open Gcash app, then tap cash out or remittance, then choose Western Union or MoneyGram, then enter recipient details like full name as in ID, location Japan, then input amount in PHP, confirm and pay, share the MTC and tracking number with the recipient in Japan. They can pick up the cash at any Western Union location in Japan. Now here is the document and information that you need, like sender for sender in Philippines, you need a valid ID card, and for the recipients you need the bank name and the account number. You need also address from Philippines and also the recipient's full name and address. Now the purpose of remittance or the remittance recipients should give their ID if cash pickup. Now here is the tips for you. Use Wise for the best exchange rate and lowest fees. Avoid sending on weekends or public holidays to prevent a delay. Compare exchange rates and transfer fees before sending. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Till next time.